A Scottsdale native, but she spends a lot of time training here in Tucson. We'd like to introduce you to professional golfer. I love that. Do you love hearing that?
I love it, yeah.
Mackenzie Jackson, she joins us tonight to talk about the show Big Break, which premieres on the Golf Channel May 13th. You're actually a competitor on the show this season. Tell us about this and kind of what opportunities it's given you.
Well, it's a reality TV show. I don't like to use the word reality, but it's a golf competition show, and we just have different challenges, and we compete for prizes and a lot of money. So it opens up the doors for us to try to get to the LPGA and, you know, get our name out there, which is what we really want.
Absolutely. And you know, you weren't like born on the golf course. You actually didn't really get into it until, what, your sophomore year in high school?
Yeah, I was 16, almost 17,
Wow.
so.
Talk to me about, you know, why you got into golf, and then when did you figure out that, hey, maybe it could take me this far or there'd be a future in it?
Well, my dad always played golf, and you know, I didn't like it. But a couple of my guy friends from home, they were really good at it, and it made me mad that I wasn't, you know, as good as them. So that really gave me a drive to you know, get better at it. And then I decided, hey, you know, this could be it. So I worked really hard, and you know, went to Kent State and played in college. It was good.
And you've been training actually up at Dove Mountain. Tell me about that, who you train with, and your kind of ties to Tucson.
Yeah, I work with Paul Nolan up at the gallery. We've been working you know, professionally for 2 years, but we met probably about 5 or 6 years ago, and I wasn't really serious then, but now I'm very serious. So we work together once every 2 weeks, you know, if you know, time permitting, but you know, he's really great.
And I want to know kind of a preview. I know you can't say much because they've already, you know, decided the winner, but we can't say anything about that.
Right.
What can we expect on this season of Big Break Mexico?
It's going to be pretty interesting, pretty spicy. You know, we've got some good competition, and everybody's really great, and we all have pretty tight personalities, so it's going to be good.
But you become friends with a lot of these people, and I know that it's given you opportunities to just get out there in the golf community even more.
Yeah, I mean, it basically gets our name out there, and I want people to see who I am and where I came from and how hard I work to be where I'm at, because I work very hard.
Well, we really appreciate you, Mackenzie, for coming on our show tonight. Check out the Big Break Mexico, premieres May 13th on the Golf Channel. Thanks again, and we'll be right back with more.